Matapos ang task ng housemates para sa kanilang charity,
Sige, sure.
Ano yung costume rin?
Bago tayo paglabas.
Multiply natin by 10. Like 500 book tayo. Okay?
si Shuvi tila hindi naman mapanatag sa kanilang pagkabigo.
Nasa pang-apat na eh. Ginalaw pa. Pareho tayo.
Magiging totoo na po talaga ako, kuya. Ayoko po talagang natatalo, kuya. Never ko po nilimit yung capabilities ko, kuya. Lalo na po sa mga tasks niyo, kuya. And especially na I'm doing this task for a cause. Happy thoughts. Yung hunger ko po ngayon to win is times 10, kuya, sa lahat po nung naibigay yung task, kuya. And then I feel like hindi ko po nagawa yung goal na yun para sa sarili ko. Okay na ako. Na-process ko na. Diba? I just had to cool down, kuya, and nakita ko nga po yung brighter side, which is na at least may natulungan pa rin naman pong charity, kuya, kahit na po hindi po yung charity namin. Babawi ako.
Si Kuya, kinausap naman ang nanalong duo na sina AZ at River.
I'm just happy na we were able to do it. I'm just happy na we are a blessing to others, Kuya.
Hindi ko pa rin na-process na nanalo kami. At ang laban namin talaga ay hindi para sa aming sarili pero sa charity na pinili namin. This is actually my first win, Kuya, in the task here sa bahay. And I'm happy na it wasn't for me but for something greater. Ito talaga, Kuya, it's in honor rin for both our dads, Kuya. I think they were with us in this task. I think they helped us in this task, Kuya. Kasi alam nila na ang dami naming makakatulong dahil dito, Kuya.
River, kung nabubuhay ang tatay mo ngayon, ano sa palagay mo ang mararamdaman niya?
I think he'll be proud, Kuya. My dad, sobrang generous niyang tao. And lagi kong sinasabi, I want to follow in his footsteps. I want to be just like him. Siya ang hero ko, Kuya. I want to be like that to other people. So, if he were alive today, I'm sure he'd be happy. I'm sure he'd be proud na ang dami naming matutulungan dahil dito, Kuya.
Easy, para sa'yo, gaano kalaking tribute ito para sa tatay mo?
Kuya, sobrang laki po talaga, Kuya. Kasi I grew up with a family, with a dad, na sobra din mapabigay. And even at our lowest times, Kuya, kahit hindi kami okay, whether it was financially, emotionally, mentally, ganun, Kuya. He made sure to help other people and to be a blessing, Kuya. And that's what I learned, not only from my dad, but also from my mom, from both of my parents, Kuya, na if you're blessed, be a blessing to others. If you're at your lowest, still be a blessing to others.
AZ and River, sa inyong nakamit na tagumpay, you are definitely a blessing to others.
Kuya, kasi nakikita din namin yung mga puso ng other housemates for their chosen charities. So, we wanted to ask Kuya if we could divide or split the winnings that we got and share it with the others for their chosen charities.
We also want to honor the fight that the other housemates gave.
Naintindihan ko ang inyong intensyon, pero nagdesisyon ako. Ang halaga na maibibigay ninyo para sa pinili ninyong charity ay kailangan ninyong maibigay ng buo. Deserve nila ang kabuuan ng inyong pinaghirapan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sigurado ako, darating din ang takdang panahon na makakatulong muli ang ibang mga duos.
Salamat po, Kuya.